Yes, Tamjid. Hello, Tamjid. Tamjid, sound is very low.
जी सर हाँ
Yeah. So you got the mark scheme, right?
जी सर
In mark scheme, the range for 2B2 is given 50 to 53, right? So you got 48. Can you check, is there any mistake over there? Or you can send me the diagram, then I can understand your mistake.
सर डायग्राम तो दिसी
You gave it,
हाँ हाँ
but
ऊपर
the one with this working, show your working clearly on your graph. B2 part. I'm not seeing the diagram. I told you to send it again by doing this working.
ओके
In your group, you give group, not personal messenger. Group.
ओके सर
Now also calculate M. Using the formula, you calculate L. I got Abir's one. So N18. N18. Yes, I think you did mistake here, right? During during calculation of 18, isn't it? So hello, Abir.
Yes, sir.
So previously you took 8 small square, right?
Yes.
But you have to take 16 small square, right?
Yes.
That's why it came wrong before. Now it is correct. Or you took from 20 you took 2 small square less. That's why it came 48, right? Hmm. You took 19 other than 18, isn't it? Hello. Now it's came correctly. Yeah.
ও হ্যাঁ স্যার আমারও তো সেম
Yes.
52 পেয়েছি আমি
Yes. That is the mistake you are doing. We have here 4 small square 2, right? So 18 should be uh, here. 4 small square back.
Sir, in part 3, what will be L?
You see the mark scheme I gave in the group. The answer should be 114, right? The calculation answer is 114, but the answer they want you to write in 2 significant figures. That's why in answer line it should be 110, 110 grams. Is it clear? Amir, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, I got 112.2. Last minute is written
112.2. Okay,
114.
okay, very good. So 100, you write there 112. First you write
Yes.
112. Then in answer line you write 110.
Sir, why will I write that?
Because here it's written give your answer to two significant figures.
Oh, okay, sir.
So then you continue the other part.
জি স্যার আমার শেষ 114 পেয়েছি 110
Okay, very good. Then continue part 4. This is easy one. The name of the apparatus to check your reading is correct or not. That is balance, right?
Yes,
You
mass
can
balance.
write electronic balance or only balance or beam balance, anything else you can write. Okay, then last part. Suggest one way in which this method of measuring the mass m of the meter rule can be improved. How we can improve it? You check the
use
mark scheme.
use masses of different sizes
Mhm. Actually, different sizes, if you are saying, then it is not appropriate.
smaller sizes,
Use
yeah.
Like
ring of different mass.
different mass is not appropriate. You write like if your mass is 10 gram mass, for example, in our lab we have 10 gram masses, then 5 gram masses, then 50 gram masses, right? So balance balance it. We have the pivot over there, right? So to balance it, if you can make your masses smaller sizes, like 5 gram masses, then you can get more appropriate mass to get it balanced, isn't it? If you are taking 1 gram masses, like you said, different masses, other than using uh, this word, you can use that using more smaller masses to get the more accurate reading of this here we are getting 3.3, right? 3, 3.3 grams. If we are using 2 grams one, then we can get more accurate readings. For example, maybe your after giving 10 masses, then your ruler is balanced, or after giving 5 masses it is balanced. So if you are giving 5 masses, what will be the mass of this uh, all the mass? Can you calculate 3.3 into 5, right? How much it is? So hello,
জি স্যার
Abir, Tamjid, can you tell me if you are giving here, for example, I am saying that if you are giving 5 masses, then it is balanced, right? So if you multiply 3.3 with 5, what is the reading coming?
16.5.
16.5
Hmm? How much?
16.5.
16.5
18.5,
16.
16.5
16.5. Okay. Like you are getting now 16.5, then you got it balanced. Now, maybe it is not exactly, giving you the correct mass or correct, moment. Here we are actually balancing the moment, right? clockwise and anti-clockwise moment we are balancing. So if you can use more smaller meshes, like other than using 3.3, if you are using 2.2 or 2.5 meshes, then if you are using that one you got 16.5, maybe if it is 16.2, then your reading will be more accurate. But as you are using these kinds of 3.3 masses, then you cannot change the values. If you are using 2.2, then it is easier for you to go to the more closer mass value. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hmm.
Yeah, like if you are using 7, 2.2, then what is the value coming? 7? Let's check.
15.4.
15.4. So the previous one was
16.5.
16.5, right?
5. Hmm.
So you see this one is if you want to get like 15.5 that value, so it is easier to use the 2.2 other than 3.3, right?
Hmm.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you understand, if we are using smaller masses, then it is easier for us to balance it in the accurate point where you have 45 or where you have 50 in the scale reading, isn't it? Otherwise, it's very difficult for you to balance. So this way we can improve it.
Hmm.
So you write it, huh? Write it at last.
Okay, sir.
And you said that one different masses. Other than saying this, you can say combination of smaller and bigger masses, right? That one is more appropriate term. Combination of smaller and bigger masses. Like you can use 3.3, you can use 1.5, you can use 2.2 together, so that according to your need, you can change the masses. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our this one is done, right? What now I want from you, you will send me your work. You will send me your work in email uh, by Friday. Friday you can send me, okay?
The whole worksheet.
Yeah, whole worksheet you will send me by Friday.
Okay, sir.
Friday is your holiday, right?
Yes, sir.
So by Friday morning you send me it, huh? Before Juma. Anytime you can send me. Because afternoon,
Sir, which
Kamdedi,
Gmail should I send?
Kamdedi, you are going to playground, right? Afternoon you are busy. So by morning you send me. Friday.
Sir, about the worksheet, ওটা কি করব?
Which one?
ওটা শেষ করছি, the unit 9, 10, 11.
Okay, about that one, I will say I will just upload it after your class. Okay, take it
ওকে
from
স্যার,
there.
হিট ক্যাপাসিটি নোটস দিলে ভালো হয়, এটা কি আছে?
Heat capacity notes. Yeah, I don't have actually. If you need it to explain, then tomorrow we have class. I will explain you there. Okay, from your
ওকে
book
স্যার,
only.
ওকে স্যার,
Is it clear? We will go through the learning outcomes of the syllabus, and we will also take it from your book. Then I will show you from where you will get it, the learning outcomes. Everything is there in your book. For this
ওকে,
two topics, topic 11 and 12, you have everything in your book.
হুম,
Okay, so I will show you
ওকে
from
স্যার,
where you have to learn what.
ওকে স্যার,
And I also prepared one thing that according to the learning outcomes, which page you have to go through. Okay,
হুম,
or which part of the book you have to go through. That one I can give you. Will it be okay for you to take from book?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then uh, our lab work, we have something more to discuss with you. This is set one done. Okay, set one is done. Then you'll send me the your work in PDF format within Friday. And now I'm showing you set
Sir,
two. Yes,
which Gmail should I send? Physics Mania.
Physics Mania, our official uh, official one, Physics Mania. Okay, official email address, that one. This is set two, okay. This set to uploaded in your Google Classroom. So from here you can download it and print out. Hmm. This one also you do by Friday. Huh? This print out process you do by Friday, and you try little bit. I'm not giving you that much work. By Sunday you will try only question number 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Question number 2 is related to graph. So you try before drawing the graph, okay, as much as possible, till D. Okay, is
Okay,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then okay, done for today. Thank you. You try. I'm not
Okay.
saying you have to do. You try as much as possible in question 2. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Okay, Allah Hafiz, sir.